Good morning, my friend. I'm in Arkansas. And at 6:45, we have a bunch of meetings today. I got this suit from Zara. It's like a thick linen. This is a huge week. Not only are we at Walmart this week, but we have a whole new era of Love Wellness happening as we speak. Go check out our website right now if you want a sneak peek. The entire organization has been working relentlessly for more than a year on this new era of Love Wellness. And a big part of that is reaffirming to you who we are as a brand. We make life-changing products that support at the microbiome level because we believe of our ingredient superiority. And you have to practice ingredient superiority to do better for women, and that's exactly what we've been doing since 2016. And we are at Walmart today to share with the team that we are entering our new era. I know that they're excited, and I could not be more excited. You think it's a slick-backed low bun, but it's a braid. Room service breakfast, quinoa bowl with poached eggs and veg. Final look for our Walmart meetings today. Some Manolos. You can find Love Wellness in the digestive health aisle at Walmart right now. And we are so excited for everything that is to come the rest of the week. Okay, bye.